I take great pleasure in welcoming you all for the state level seminar on FOSS for brand, free and open source software for business, research, academics and nation development.
A very pleasant morning to all. Necessity is the mother of invention. Curiosity can be regarded as a child of invention. When there is any new thing shape up, out of curiosity, the student, research scholars and scientists try to learn what has newly been invented by many other scientists across the globe. On behalf of organizers, the Loyola College administrator, and also on behalf of the officials from the UGC, on behalf of resource persons, I would like to welcome each one.
JAYACHANDRAN finished his schooling in Don Bosco Higher Secondary School and his UG and PG at Loyola College. Later completed his MPhil from St. Clair University. While he was doing his UG degree, he also finished a diploma in web authoring and programming. He finished his second PG degree in psychology from Madras University. He also finished MSc Viscom from Bharatiya University. He had obtained a certification in Six Sigma Black Belt from MSMA Government of India. He also finished a certification in US Consulting and Sales Process. He is a certified internal auditor for ISO 9001. He was recently finished a certification in NLP by NLP, Florida, USA. He got 16 years of teaching experience. He has also been working as an IT consultant, freelance. Recently, he served as a director for a US-based IT multinational company. He also served as a psychology counselor for St. Mary's Anglican Higher Secondary School, which is India's one of the oldest schools. Professor Chris is currently pursuing his PhD by concentrating on application of machine learning in psychiatry. That is indeed a privilege to have Professor Chris visitors to provide a various session on this state level seminar FOSS for brand. We again welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Roshni, for those deep words. Thank you, Roshni, for those detailed words of appreciation. You had a lot of spiritual stamina to go through the list of various degrees, certificate courses that I have done. I also would like to thank the participants for having come on time here and keenly attending to the proceedings of the seminar so far. I have now been invited to walk you all through briefly about the dynamics of this state level seminar on FOSS for brand. When we say dynamics, what would be the overall schedule of today's seminar? As the very title suggests, the productivity or applicability of FOSS across various areas. So our sessions have been planned in such a manner that different stakeholders can really benefit from it. First, we would try to familiarize ourselves with the most trending domain called machine learning, for which mostly open source languages and tools are used. I have also been doing my research on the application of machine learning on psychiatry or mental health issues. So the first session would be application of machine learning in mental health care industry, which will be continued after a short break. We will also try understanding why there is a separate industry grooming as mental health care industry. Whether it is e-commerce, whether it is the automobiles, somewhere or mental conditions are pretty much used by or exploited by many policymakers and manufacturers as well. We will talk about what such industry is and how each of us are phenomenally touched by the advancement in this industry. Then we will understand how the most sought after programming languages such as R and Python are useful for research. From one angle, Python can be a very good development programming language. From another angle, R can be a very good statistical package used for data analysis and trying to advocate a particular solution to the problem using visualization. So that will be a brief introduction. Then we would break for lunch. After lunch, we would have a group activity that would talk about your preferences. Given an option, would you be sticking to using Linux operating system? Given an option or given no option that you can work with MS Office but you need to work only with OpenOffice, would you pretty much be comfortable to work or not? We will do a brainstorming session and logically I would walk you all through how starting with our resistance to embrace open source products and technologies are pretty much increasing the IT expenditure both for private companies as well as for public and government companies. We will try to understand that. And that way, if FOSS is adopted well, the nation's development is ensured. For example, the government of Kerala almost 7 years ago made sure that all computers and web solutions, including electricity board, makes use of only open and free software, starting with Linux. Almost before 10 years, LIC wanted to cut down the expenditure. It suggested that all the offices start making use of Linux, and it did not renew the Microsoft licenses once the usage licenses got expired. So we will understand whether there is a direct correlation between adopting FOSS and nation developing, and whether there can be derivative employment opportunity increasing. I would also talk in length about this example. Currently, the Anna University is offering MSc CS-course, world's first attempt by any regulatory university to offer exclusive PG degree in open source technology. So there is going to be a kind of positive correlation. The more the adoption, the more would be employment, and the less would be the cost incurred by the government, and in which case governments can put money on many other development activity. So FOSS has a direct impact on our nation's development as well. We would learn this through a group activity post-lunch. Then we would try understanding about the different content management systems, CMS frameworks, especially WordPress, which would really help any of you to create a website just like that once you would have WordPress installed in your machine or in your domain. Then I would introduce briefly how there are different e-commerce frameworks. For example, we have Magento, one of the very famous frameworks available. We have OS Commerce, we have Zen framework. There are so many number of e-commerce frameworks that are absolutely open source. That means they were created exclusively using the LAMP stack, mostly using PHP for all the scripting purposes. We will familiarize ourselves with that. Then targeting the teaching and the learning fraternity, which is student and teachers. We would also understand how teachers can make use of so many number of tools. I'm sure many of you have your own blog, blogger.com. If you have a Gmail ID, in moments you can create your own blog. So blog is a place where people can share their thoughts, their ideas. or even a tutorial, and many people after going through the tutorial or the content can post slides also. In that way, if teachers make use of this, students can learn from being at the comfort of their own houses. So flipped classroom is a gaining and trending one. You'll also understand how academics is mainly benefited through using FOSS. Then we would have a feedback session and we would wind up. This is the quick dynamics of this session, of this seminar. I welcome each of you again. In addition to